Well, hey guys, it's me, Life of Boris. Do you get it? Because everybody's saying now that I look like him. Do you get it? Because I have a yellow jacket and don't show my face. Do you get it? Are you laughing? Is it funny? Do you get it? Now I know what you're thinking. UC Gundam. What is this? A new video that didn't actually take a month to make? Holy shit. Believe me, I'm just as surprised as you are. But hey, the YouTube algorithm has decided that it no longer wants to show my videos to even any of my subscribers, so maybe this will help kickstart things a little bit. Who knows with YouTube, honestly. Broken website. Oh hey, look at that. I actually remembered to minimize Audacity this time so you can see my desktop wallpaper. It's Komi-san Vaporwave because I'm fucking cultured. Anyways, hello everyone, welcome back to another Mecha Model Kit unboxing. That's right, it's been a while since I've done one of these on my channel, and I don't know why I stopped. Everybody seemed to love them so much. But anyhow, before we get started, I hate to sound like literally every other YouTuber out there, but if you are subscribed to me, please take a second to turn on the notification bell. YouTube unfortunately does a god-awful job at notifying my subs when I upload or even putting them in the sub feed at all. So if you do want to be hopefully notified when I post new stuff, make sure to do that. Also, another great way to know when I upload is to follow me on Twitter at UC Gundam. Or you can also join the Discord. Link will be in the pinned comment. Okay, on to the video. So recently a member of my Discord posted in one of the channels about how he was looking to get rid of some of his kits. So I reached out to him in DM. Basically, he told me he's moving and is looking to get rid of some of his kits because he doesn't have time to build them and he didn't have any room to take them with him. So I asked him what he's getting rid of and how much he wants for it. He basically told me, I just want to make sure that they're going to a good home, and if you're interested in taking them off my hands, then I'll send them to you for free. And I was like, holy shit, that is one hell of an offer. Naturally, I was floored and had to immediately take him up on it. So I exchanged my shipping information with him, and I did cover shipping myself, which ended up being about $200 for cross-country shipping, which the boxes that everything came in are quite big, so that's understandable, and I was more than happy to cover it. So now, about 1 week later after that interaction, all of the kits have arrived safe and sound on my doorstep, and I am incredibly excited to show you what's inside. From what he's shown me and from what I've kind of peeked into the box already a little bit, just to make sure everything was okay, there's a lot of really cool kits in there, so I can't wait to get them out. We're gonna take a look at them right now. I just realized I probably am gonna have to move a lot of this stuff out of the way because, like I said, those boxes are... Oh no. Because like I said, those boxes are pretty big. I don't think they'd fit in this little space right here. Just gonna get the black tri-stars out of the way there, and Haro, you might have to move just over here as well. Okay, good. Oh shit. Oh, it's heavy. I actually just realized that this might be blocking the entire camera shot. I don't know. Can you guys see me? Can you see me okay? Here, I'm gonna put this down right here. That's gonna go right there. And we have a second one. That one will go right there. And I actually did get a third package from Gundam Pros. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but it came on the same day. Figured I might as well include it in the haul. Now, of course, I truly can't start opening these without first giving a huge shout out and genuine thank you to ZSWOH on Twitter. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. I'm sorry if I didn't, but anyways, it's up on screen if you guys wanna go check him out. I actually do recommend that you go check his account out. He customizes and paints SD kits, and I find that very cool, and you guys might too. So I guess technically ZSWOH is today's video sponsor. Now, let me get my hobby knife out. Actually, I'm gonna replace the blade, make it a little bit more special. It's always more satisfying opening up brand new boxes with a brand new blade. It just cuts a little bit smoother, of course. And there we go. I think we should crack open the Gundam Pros box first, just because that one's just a little bit less special than the other ones, although I was really looking forward to this one as well. How does this thing open? Oh, right there. Never gotten a box like this before, so I'm used to the Amazon and UPS brown boxes. How does this open? Am I really having trouble opening a box? Oh, there's more tape on it. Nope, never mind. I'm just stupid and can't figure this out. Damn, Gundam Pros, what the hell? This shit comes with a free puzzle. Yeah, you know what? Fuck it. I'm just tearing the thing open. Did I mention this is an ASMR channel? There we go. It even came with a Gundam Pros sticker. Now I have 2 of them. The other one is somewhere. Oh, I forgot they do that. They give you a little bit of candy with each purchase. I thought that was like a Christmas time thing, but thanks for the jelly bean. It doesn't look like there's anything else in there. Oh, nice. I like that box art a lot. Let's get this out of the way. This is a kit I've actually wanted for some time, ever since I first saw it. This is the Extreme Gundam. It comes from the Gundam Extreme Versus series, I believe, and literally the only reason I wanted it, besides the fact that it looks super cool, is the fact that its beam saber is shaped like an electric guitar. I mean, how fucking awesome is that? So we're gonna put this right there. I hope that's still in the camera shot. Now, let's get on to the main event that you've all been waiting probably too long for. Okay, all right. So I've seen a couple of these kits. I know what's in here, but you guys don't, and that's the important thing. So up first, from the High Grade Build Fighters series, up first we have the Turn A Gundam Shin. This is a really cool design, and you know what? I'm gonna say it. I almost like this one better than the original Turn A.
You see, Gundam is canceled!
But yeah, really excited to build this one. I actually don't have any Turn A kits. Technically, this is a Build Fighters kit, but still, I mean, Turn A is a great design. Turn A Shin, also a great design. At least it's not the Katoki design. Anyways, on to the next one, and we have, get the fuck out of here, the High Grade Universal Century Rosen Zulu. This is actually, on the box, this is actually the clear color variant. I'm not a huge fan of clear color kits, but you know what? The Rosen Zulu is so ridiculously hard to find. I'm still happy about it. And I mean, I can't complain. This was basically a gift anyways. Bandai, please reprint the Rosen Zulu. On to the next one, we have the RX-80PR Pale Rider ground heavy equipment type. I don't have any missing link suits either. I'm not that big of a Pale Rider fan. At least the mobile suit is really cool. I just don't like it enough to go out of my way to try to secure a P Bandai release. Again, you know, excited to build this one. I'm really excited to just tear into all of these here. I can't wait. As soon as this video is done, I'm probably gonna get right to building. Up next, what do we have? From High Grade Build Fighters Amazing Ready, we have the Accelerate GNX, or Jinx, I think it's pronounced, kind of like how GM is Jim. I looked up, this was one of the ones that I was shown, and I looked up pictures of it. This thing looks awesome. I can't wait to have this thing on my shelf. I see some master grades in here now, so actually, probably gonna have to move these. Let's move these. Haro, get out of here. There you go. These can go over here. Let's make room for the master grades over here. Up first, well, I guess actually, wow, that is a huge box for a high grade. This is the High Grade Iron-Blooded Orphans full Tekkadan set. I'm pretty sure that this comes with, what is that, the Barbados Lupus Rex, the Manrodi, the Flauros, and the Gujian Rebake Full City, I think. I don't know, you know, if Bandai would print these in anything other than monochrome, I could probably figure out what's going on here. But this is quite a big box. I mean, it comes with 4 kits in it, and I did a little bit of reading. I think it comes with some extra weapons as well that are exclusive to this kit, so very cool thing to have in my collection. I can't wait to have those up on the shelf. How many times am I gonna say that in this video? Ooh, my God. All right, so those of you who know me know I'm a pretty big Advance of Zeta fan. I mean, as you can tell from my one Advance of Zeta kit that I own. Hey, it's not my fault. They only have like 2 fucking kits that are not P Bandai. But we have a couple in here. First up, we have the Master Grade RX-121-1 Gundam TR-1 Hazel Custom. And actually, these are really big boxes. We have 2 of them in here, so that is amazing. I've wanted a Master Grade Hazel for a long time. I built the High Grade Hazel Custom. I don't even know if you guys can see it up on the screen. I don't know why I keep pointing to it, but it's up on my shelf. That was one of the first high grades I ever built, and I've been in love with the design since, so very, very cool to finally have the Master Grade of it. We have one more AOZ kit in this box. This is the Advanced Hazel. Yeah, that's the right side up. Yeah, the Advanced Hazel. This one looks really cool as well. I love those double shields that it has on the back and that visor kind of thing that it's got over its face. Just reminds me of how badly I want the Hazel Ausla. Put that up there. And the last kit in this box. Oh, this one. I've seen how much this goes for online resale. It's insane. This is the Gundam Astray Red Dragon. This kit is pretty rare to my understanding, and very excited to build this one as well. It's got a really badass looking sword on the front, and I might actually have to postpone this one for a while because I did recently, you're definitely not going to be able to see it, it's up on the top shelf, but I did recently build the Sengoku Astray Master Grade, so not really in the mood to build another Master Grade Red Frame Astray, but you know, definitely gonna get to it sometime. So that is all for the first box. Now it's on to the second one. There's some really cool stuff in here too. I'm going to put these down over there to make room for the other kits. Just be real careful here. I have no idea where I'm gonna put any of this. I actually keep my backlog under this desk. I know you guys can't see it, but that is completely full and it's actually overflowing. So I'm gonna have to figure out a new type of storage. Haha, get it? New type? That was unintentional. I'm not that funny. Okay, and you can go over. Oh, okay, hold on. I gotta be careful with these. All right, next box is right down there. You're not gonna be able to see it, just trust me, it's there. Or don't trust me and be amazed when I magically procure these rare kits out of thin air. Okay, oh, we actually have more ASMR. Another Advance of Zeta kit. We have the RX-124 Gundam TR6 Hazel 2. Is that technically, yeah, the wound wart? I don't think that's technically the wound wart, but it's like, it looked almost the same. Very cool. And the rest of these, oh yeah, the rest of these are master grades. Let's pull out this one first. Get out of here. Originally, there was going to be another high grade in here. It was actually, I have it right here, the Gundam G-Self Perfect Pack, but I told the guy, I was like, hey, I already have that one. You don't have to send it to me, it's okay. You can if you want to, but I do already have that one. And he said, okay, well, I can include something different. And he started asking me about kits that I was interested in. I said, oh, well, you know, the Master Grade Justice Gundam's been on my radar for a while, and look at that. Very excited to have this one. I might actually be able to start dedicating a shelf to seed kits now that have a couple of the master grades and a handful of the high grades. Justice Gundam is definitely one of my favorite suits from the series. Up next, we have the Zeta Gundam 3 P2 type Red Zeta. I've looked up pictures of this online and it looks amazing. I don't have any master grade Zetas yet, and the high grade Gundam Evolution Project Zeta is still in my backlog, half finished. This one actually, let's put the high grade over here so I'm not stacking master grades on top of it. Let's go with, oh, there's another Zeta Gundam master grade in here. This is the Zeta Gundam 3 B-type Gray Zeta. Again, really excited to have another master grade Zeta. It is a pretty cool design, and these ones just improve on that design even more. I've looked at pictures, but I've not actually seen them on video or anything. I think they'll look even more impressive in person. Kits usually do. What else do we have in here? The enhanced Double Zeta Gundam Ver.Ka. Now, I don't own the original Double Zeta Gundam Ver.Ka, so I'm not really sure what makes this one different. I believe this is Premium Bandai, despite it not having the standard monochrome Premium Bandai look to the box. Maybe that's because it's a Ver.Ka. I don't really know. The only difference I could tell from looking up pictures is that the main color of the suit is kind of like a more teal white. Not really sure. I could look it up again, but yeah, still excited to build this one. More Zeta stuff, always welcome. Next up we have, oh, that box is falling apart a little. Hopefully the parts inside are still okay. We have the Hyakushiki Kai. I don't own any Hyakushiki kits, and the master grade's been on my radar for a while. This isn't the standard master grade, obviously. This is the Kai. This variant has a very interesting head design compared to the normal Hyakushiki. I don't know if I like it more or less. It's just kind of the same. It's very interesting in its own right, and I'm excited to own it for sure. I'm running out of space. So many master grades. We got one more. We got one more. This last one I'm extremely excited for. I don't own any Victory kits yet, so this will be my first. This is the Ver.Ka Victory 2 Assault Buster. This thing looks incredible. I am super excited to build this. I know I keep saying that ad nauseum, but I mean, I've been, ever since I talked to the dude and he showed me some of the stuff I was gonna get, I've been like, yes, give it to me. But yeah, super hyped to build this. I love the design of the Victory 2 Gundam, and the Assault Buster stuff just looks awesome. So I believe, yeah, that is everything. So that's it. Thank you to everyone for watching if you made it to the end of the video. I actually don't know how many of you are still here because YouTube Analytics tells me the average viewer clicks off after about 3 to 4 minutes. But yes, big thank you to all of you who tuned in, and of course an even bigger thank you to ZSWOH again on Twitter for sending all these kits to me. I'm not really sure which one I'm gonna build first because I'll be real here, I'm super excited to build all of them. If you guys see any of these kits specifically that you'd like to see a review on in the future maybe, let me know down in the comments for sure. Anyways, that's all from me for today. Again, thank you for watching. I'm gonna get to building. Take care. I'll see you all later.